In this course, we're going to learn how to do a buccal massage. You've probably heard about this sculpture lifting face massage, and not all the techniques of buccal massage you can do on your own. But in this course, I will share 3 safe exercises that you can easily use and master at home. If you go to the salon, the massage of this technique will cost you somewhere from $100 to $400, right? But with these 3 exercises, you will see the results very soon. The term buccal actually is derived from the Latin word bucca, which is cheek. What we're doing with this massage is we're massaging the muscles inside the cheek and the jaw area. This way we relieve the tension. That's why I love this exercises for TMJ. We also improve circulation, of course promote healthy and youthful looking skin. The preparation for the buccal massage is the same as for any other massage technique, except we shall need a pair of surgical gloves. Well, I suggest you use a pair of surgical gloves for this type of massage, but you do not have to. If you do not want to use surgical gloves, just make sure that you wash your hands real well and enjoy the massage.